Bryce McKinley here, Coach Sharpen. You know what time it is.
If you don't know Bryce, he's crushing it. He's doing over 50 wholesale deals a month.
Hanging out with my boy, the middle school millionaire. Say what up.
What's up?
Hey guys, here's the deal. My boy and I were just talking, and my little clippy thing is not here. Let me get my clip on here so I can not be distracted, y'all. But I got something for you guys this morning. So here's the deal. The reason I'm going live is because my boy and I are out here doing a little work on Saturday together, and we're just talking, and he's asking questions, and he's like, you know, Dad, I don't want to do that. I want to do this. And you're like, what are you talking about, Bryce? Here's the thing. My boy, he wants to help me in my business, and he's trying to be picky about what he wants to do. And I said, sometimes you have to do the things that you don't want to do so that you can have the things that you want in life, right? Like, you got to be willing to do what others won't so that you can have what others want. And as my boy and I are talking, he goes, well, I just don't want to do the technical stuff. Like, I want to do the sales stuff. I want to do this. I want to do that. And I said, listen, son, I said, you got to be willing to do everything in your business before you can delegate anything. Let me repeat that for you in the back, if maybe you're just listening or maybe you're just tuning in. If you are starting or running a business, or maybe you're at scale and you're trying to pick and choose what you can and won't and might do in your business, you're bound and determined to fail. And the reason why is because you have got to be willing to do everything before you can delegate anything. Cranston, I'm not putting you on the spot because I know that's not what you wanted, but that was fire, bro. That was fire. So we were talking, and once we said that, there was some small talk in between there. You guys, this is the middle school millionaire, by the way. It's my boy. So we were talking, and some things passed, and then you said something that was just profound. What did you say?
I said, let the person in front of you set the pace so you don't run into them, but instead you run by them.
Ooh. I don't know if you heard that. He said, let the person in front of you set the pace so you don't run into them, but you can run by them. Here's the deal, y'all. You're running a business, you're starting a business, maybe you're at scale. If you're not willing to do everything in your business, you're not going to be able to delegate anything. Meanwhile, if you're trying to mirror match somebody, let the person in front of you set the pace. Because then once you know what the pace is, you won't run into them, but you'll run by them. Profound by the 9-year-old middle school millionaire. Any last words, Cran?
Set the pace.
Set the pace. Follow the pace setter, and then run by them and set the pace. Dang right. Whatever you do, don't stop. We'll see you guys at the top. God bless. Guys, Bryce McKinley here, Coach Sharpen. You know what time it is. I want to personally thank you for watching these videos. You see, you might want to subscribe to this channel, and I'm not just saying that to get more followers, but the knowledge that I drop, I guarantee you won't get anywhere else. You see, the information that I give is not just the fluff that every other puru, screw and guru talks about. You might want to stay alert for what's happening next. So subscribe, hit the notification bell to keep you posted. You're not going to want to miss what I drop on this channel.